Hi, this is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today we are discussing my Jade jewelry order from Only Jade. They have 5,000 items available on eBay. This package just came. It has a special box, certified that it is Jade in Chinese. I didn't know they came with a laminated card, a little mailing thing that says, "Thank you for buying. If you have any problems, contact us." And this is my Jade jewelry. I got this for like 3 USD equivalent. It has like a good luck charm or something here in Chinese. But when you hold it up to the light, it shines through because it's really jade. So this is lovely. I will be buying from them again. So I wanted something to freshen up my wardrobe. So this was part of that process. But that is the unboxing of this lovely jade pendant. I'm like, my word, who knew? It's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's hand carved too, I'm pretty sure. Check it at the round table. Bye!